the next D is, whom are you doing all this for? Whom are you creating your courses for? Whom are you teaching physics? Whom are you teaching Python? Whom are you teaching whatever you're teaching, right? So who is your target audience? So now look at, first you discovered who you are. You discovered your unique positioning with your story and knowing what exactly is your purpose, is your passion in alignment to your purpose, to your profession, right? And then what is the change it is bringing in this world, your products and services, how you will stand out uniquely in the marketplace, right? And then the third D was, only when you have in-depth insights, wisdom, okay, then you can create a sustainable business model. But then whom are you doing all this for? So now that was your personal positioning. Now we will talk about your business positioning, and the bridge between personal and business positioning is your target audience, demographics of your target audience. Who are your target audience, Jay Kumar? Who is your target audience, Sukumar? Who is your target audience, Khalilji? Who is your target audience, Indra? Write down in the chat box, who is your target audience? Jay Verma, who is your target audience? Naresh, who is your target? Yes, it's a very highly competitive market. The demographics of your target audience. Engineering students, IT related, and engineers in the IT field. Yes. Corporate employees. That's too broad, Sukumar. It's too broad. Corporate employees. Corporate, which corporate are you talking about? IT, okay, pharmaceutical, or banking, or right? So this is the problem again, right? Because the target audience is too broad. Okay, so you must have a narrowed down target audience. So we simply didn't say target audience. Okay, we simply didn't say audience. It is target. Okay, see in the picture, right? Narrowed down target audience. Now class 10, let me take example of Jay Kumar. So you can say corporate employees working in FMCG companies. Now you have narrowed it down a little further. Okay, and this is again a challenge when people are not able to give narrowed down target. Or when you say I'm looking for corporate employees, well, I can't imagine corporate employee, right? But if you say I'm looking for for employees working in FMCG, having 5 years of work experience, working in tier 1 cities, having a salary of 20 to 25 lakhs per annum, unmarried, okay, having a two-wheeler, something like that. Okay, because then you can imagine someone who is that person, because the entire business depends on whom are you targeting. Because now your communication is not right if your target audience is not right, because your communication of target audience, that the pain of your target audience is very different from for across age groups, right? So if you simply say corporate employees and your ad is going to advertising professionals, which is nowhere related to advertising professionals, then it's like you and I, you are talking in Tamil and I am talking in Hindi. Communication is happening. What do you say? We are speaking to each other. Okay, communication is happening, but am I able to understand you, or are you able to understand me? Is it a enjoyable communication, or is it a I just want to know when we can stop this conversation? Because there is no conversation happening, communication is happening, right? So when Jay said 10th class student, now is he helping somebody who is scoring 80, 85, 90, score 100 on 100? Or is he helping people who are weak in physics, who are scoring 40, 45, 50, score 100 on 100? That clarity has to be there. Who is your target audience? Narrowed down target audience. This is another problem, right? Not knowing the demographics, which is narrowed down, laser focused target audience, right? Then